So in this video, we're going to be talking about the Pythagorean Theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now a and b are going to be your leg lengths, or your two smaller lengths, and the longest one, or slanted one, is going to be your c length. Now you have to remember this only works on right triangles. So only triangles with 190-degree angle will the Pythagorean Theorem work for. So on problem number 10 on your pretest, you have to figure out which one is a right triangle. Now, to do this, we're just going to plug and chug. So remember, the largest number is your c value. So we're going to do 4 squared plus 7 squared equals 8 squared. So we get 16 plus 49 equals 64. So 49 and 16 equals 65. So this does not equal 64. So we know that A is not a right triangle. Now we're going to keep doing this, and when we do that, we get 9 squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared, and 81 plus 144 equals 225, and 144 plus 81 ends up equaling 225 equals 225. So when they equal like this, we know that that is a right triangle. So now for a word problem. A 12-foot cable attached to the top of the mast of a sailboat is fastened to a point on the deck 4 feet from the base of the mast. What is the height of the mast? So the first thing we want to do is always draw a picture. So here's our triangle. So the slanted length is our cable, which is 12 feet. Don't forget your units. And then we know it's attached to the deck 4 feet from the mast. So this is 4 feet. And we're trying to figure out the height. So now we're going to label our numbers. So we know the slanted length, or the longest length, is C. This length on the bottom, 4 feet, is going to be B. And we're solving for A. So now we're going to pull our equation out. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now we're going to plug in our numbers. So we don't know A, so A squared plus B squared, 4, equals C squared, which is 12. And we're going to keep solving. A squared plus 16 equals 144. And then we're going to minus 16 from each side. So we get A squared equals 128. Now we need to take the square root of each side. So we end up getting A equaling to 11.31 feet high. There's your answer.